What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing and first impressions video here on my channel. Today I have the Gamory wireless pro controller for the Nintendo Switch, and I would say let's check it out right after the intro. Alright, so I bought this on Amazon, and as you can see, it's a pretty generic thing, I would say. Maybe you find it under different name. I'm pretty sure it comes from China and is branded from other brands as well, but the box looks nice. We can have a look around. It's nothing special to it, it's just a regular carton box, so I would say we just open it. We have the big Gamory sign on top, and as you would expect, it's around 25 euros, so I would say $25, and we will have a look what's inside. So we have a manual. We'll put this aside. We have the controller itself. Let's take it out. Put the box on the side. Okay, so we have the controller here, and we have a cable. And as usual with these products, a bit cheap. The wrapping is a bit cheap. Let's put it aside. So we have the controller. We have a cable, and this should be a USB Type-C cable. So I will open this here and we will see. Oh, come on. Okay, so here we have the cable, and it's a USB to USB Type-A cable, so really nice. So this is what you get in the box and the manual, and I would say we have a quick look around the controller itself. It feels pretty good, not too bad. It feels, I don't know, a bit small, I would say. I have an Xbox One controller here as well for a comparison, so I can put it next to it, but it's roughly the same size, I would say. It's a bit smaller maybe, but not too small. Okay, let's have a look around the controller. So we can see a lot of buttons. We have a home button, we have a plus and a minus button, we have the regular buttons A, B, Y and X. They look a bit, I don't know, like the letters are really deep inside the button. It's a bit strange, I would say, but look and feel is okay. It doesn't feel any worse or better than on my Xbox controller, I would say. Also the plus and minus and the home, it feels good. We can see it's already trying to connect. We have the D-pad here. Oh, this also feels good. We have the sticks. They move around pretty nice. Can have it from this angle. Maybe, yeah, looks pretty nice. Down here we also have two buttons. One is the turbo button. I don't know what it will do. And the second button here must be the one for the screenshots, where you can take the screenshots. When we turn it around, we will see the USB Type-C port. We have the triggers. We have the back buttons. They click really nice here as well. Honestly, I have to say I'm surprised. The quality feels really not bad. And here we have the importer again. So this comes to Germany, made in China. So I guess you will find similar controllers like that, or in the same look, just with a different name, like I said. But yeah, nothing to complain. There's no headphone jack, but we are used to that from the Switch. Let's turn it around one more time. Let's see from the side as well. And yeah, I would say it feels pretty good. Also the sticks you can click in. So I would say I get my Nintendo Switch now and we try to connect it. Alright, so I have the Switch here now, and we would go to controllers, I guess. And we will change the grip order. And then I think it told me in the manual to hold the home button for 4 seconds. So you can see with these blue LEDs it's trying to connect. Okay, it's in a connecting mode, and now we try to push these two buttons. Okay, it took a while, but now it worked and we are connected, and I would say we jump into a game and we try if everything works. Alright, so let's use the controller itself. Okay, going back works. So we can navigate through here, everything works. We can go into a game. So it seems like everything is working just fine. I mean, the controller is connected, you can use it. Super Mario is starting. We can resume. Okay, again it wants us to use the controller, and this works instantly, so it's really nice. We can take Mario here and everything works, so I would say just run around a bit here. Well, let's go here and just check everything in here. This should be easy. Yeah, this also works. And even, you can see, I can even move the controller. So it has a gyro sensor or something like that inside. So when I push here, I can move, and you see this little dot on the screen is moving with my movement. So pretty nice. So we can go, we can jump, and let's get something good here. Okay, we got 100 coins. But pretty nice, I think. For now, everything works really good. It feels good. Everything was connected really fast. It feels really good in my hand as well. Let me turn the volume down here real quick. So I would say right now there's nothing to complain. It feels really good, I have to say. I'm surprised. The quality feels good. It's pretty light, I have to say, compared to the Xbox controller. The Xbox controller is way heavier, but that's not a bad thing, I would say. So maybe if kids play with it, it's even better. But I would say that's it for the video. For the first impression, we connected already. We did the unboxing, everything was there. I would say it's a really nice controller. I like it. I'm surprised for that price to get such a good device, because the original one is at least twice the price than this. So if I find something wrong, because I will use this of course, I will pin a comment in the next couple of days after I upload this video, so that should give me some time to test this even further. But let's try this button here real quick. Yeah, that's the screen capture one, and the turbo one, I don't really know what it will do, but as I said, it's nice. We can go into the home screen, everything works instantly. We can jump around here, everything is fine, everything is really fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and hit the subscribe and bell button so you get notified about all my upcoming videos here on my channel. And then I say thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.